Hello friends, my name is Naeem and I'm back with another interesting video. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how you can make this multicolor overlapped arrow infographics, what you are seeing just right now on your screen. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing it and leave your comments in the comment section. Without further delay, let's start our today's tutorial. As you can see, I have already opened a new PowerPoint page and I'm going into format background. I have selected this gradient background and let's select this triangle here and draw it here, and let's rotate it holding the shift key so we can have it proper aligned. Let's select this round corner rectangle and draw it here, and by selecting this orange bubble, make it it's a rounded shape. Let's remove the outline and also remove the outline from the triangle. Just increasing the size so we can get a proper triangle shape which can create a better arrow. Going to format and I'll just adjust the size a little bit. Great. So just I decrease the width a little bit and I'm making another copy in case I need it in the future use here during my work. Let's rotate this after copy pasting and let's increase the size and let's select all of these shapes. And I'm just changing the size to 4.24 inches. Great. Making another copy. I'm going to format and I will rotate it to 90 degree. And I'll just increase the size toward the left and a little bit outside the slide. Making another copy. Yeah, we will make 5 of these. And here's the last one. Well, if you see these are not well aligned, the gap is not equal, what I'll do, I'm going to select this rectangle, I'll place it here, I'll fill this black color so I can at least see this manually. As you can see, these are not well aligned. There is no equal gap here in between these arrows. I'll just increase the size of this vertical arrow here and let's adjust by using my keyboard arrow. Now we have a kind of equal gaps in between all of these arrows, and I'll increase the size of this as well. Let's remove this, we don't need it now. Now in order to get that proper shapes, I'll use these arrows in the rectangle shapes here. Making sure that it is well connected with each other. Making another copy and placing it here so I can join together, and I'll repeat the same process here and also do the same. I'll extend this and then later I'm going to copy and paste it here in the way I have done it for the others. Using my keyboard for the adjustment here. And it's the last one. I'll use this, making another copy and pasting it here. We have a kind of that look for now, but still we need some adjustments here. It's the last one that I'm trying to make equal gaps in between these arrows. If you see these rectangle gaps, if you notice that all of these arrow, the bottom part is outside of the slide, which is kind of okay. It will not be visible when you play your slide in full presentation mode. And let's fill the color in these arrows so we can differentiate and we can see. So we will fill different colors in each of the arrows. Great, so we have filled the colors in all of these, and let's remove this, we don't need it now, and so let's select all. And it seems like the size is slightly bigger size because we need to get one more connect one more shape for the red arrow. Yep. And copy pasting it here. And I'm selecting all and unselecting these colors and just moving it upward, and I have grouped it and just reducing the size a little bit. Okay, slightly more. Great. Ungrouping again. Okay, the important step here that we want to get that look of overlapping, so we will do this trick here. I made another square shape here, and I will just use it in a way that one arrow is up and one is down, so overlapped in a way like it's making a very interesting shape here. I'm filling the colors that for example we have blue here, I'm filling blue here, so I'll just speed the process a little bit. Let's make some circles here. I'm using oval shape, and we will use the icons here. I made one copy and I'm making duplicate using the same and placing in front of each arrow. Great. So it seems good. Now we will fill the same color that we have for arrows. And the next step that I'm going to copy this and I'll fill kind of gray color, and I'll make it kind of placing inside the middle of blue circle. I'll fill a kind of a gradient color here inside. Let's go to properties, more settings of format shapes, and I've filled the gradient color. The preset color was available, what I use in the background. Let's place it on all of these circles. We'll use the same circle here for the numbers. It's first one, and I'll use the same duplicate here, and we'll repeat for all of these arrows. Great, now I have already some icons here, and we will place it in each circle. Just for your information, I'm using PowerPoint 2019, and you find these icons in the Insert tab and under Icons. Great. And let's write the main heading. That's great, and we have completed our tutorial. Friends, please give me your feedback on this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.